G'day guys and welcome back to the show. Today I'm going to be making buttermilk pancakes with stewed apples, cinnamon and double cream. Something I love to do when we go out camping. All the family can get in and make it, kids as well. Something that's really, really quick and easy. All right guys, let's get on with it. All right, we'll just move everything off to the side and we'll get onto the batter. Now, first thing, we'll just need some self-raising flour. Some caster sugar. Just a dash of vanilla. Just one egg. Then some buttermilk. Now, I'm using buttermilk because what it actually does is it reacts with the baking powder that's in the flour and makes it really nice and light and fluffy. Now let's give it a bit of a whisk up. Now, don't over mix it. If you over mix it, it'll become tough. And it doesn't matter if it's a little bit lumpy because it will sort of settle down. Now you don't want it too thick. You want it, I don't know how to describe it. You want it sort of, as you can see it, it will thicken up. So that's probably about right there. So you can see how that sort of runs off. That's how you sort of want it. Now we'll just let him sit to the side for a good 10-15 minutes. Needs to rest, otherwise it'll go tough, it won't work properly. When it is right, you'll see it will start to bubble up a little bit, it'll have air bubbles and what have you in there. You might need to add a little bit more milk just to bring it back to the right consistency that you need, but otherwise that'll be good for now. Then we'll get on to doing the apples. You know, look, if you want it, you can stew your own, it's just easier. So these are just pie apples. I won't use the whole lot. Just a little bit of sugar. Won't need a lot. Some cinnamon. And that's about it. So we'll just get onto the heat. Just a low heat. It only needs to be hot. You don't need to boil the living daylights out of it. Okay, so we'll just go over to the batter. You can see it's risen. There's not many bubbles. I thought there would have been more, but it's actually risen sort of like a dough, really. Actually, it might be okay. Yeah, that's the consistency you want, actually. Any thinner, it's just not going to sort of sit properly, but that's good. So we'll move over to the stove. Just turn him on. Now you don't want it ridiculously hot. Probably medium if that sort of makes a bit of sense. Just a little bit of oil. Now that's plenty. This is a non-stick saucepan, so or fry pan, so you don't need much. I do like a little bit of oil in there. Now we'll just give that a few minutes to warm up, then we'll get the pancakes on. Now you don't want to cook it too quick. As you can see, the bubbles are starting to form. You want to see that. Once it sort of bubbles all over, then it's right to turn. You just check underneath, just to make sure that it isn't burning. Okay, we'll just give it a turn. And probably another couple of minutes, 3 minutes maybe 2. All right, first one's done. So we'll just grab a plate. Off to the side. Get another one on. This one's all ready now, so we'll get him off. Okay, now I'll just give this a bit of a clean. The apple one. Right, it's got some really nice double cream. And we'll just give them a drizzle of maple syrup. Okay there guys, there's my buttermilk pancakes with stewed apples with cinnamon and double cream. It looks way too good to leave, so I think we're just going to have to give it a try.